Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a feedback on the FilmMaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you just go to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen. And in the help section you can find the second button, the feedback. Click that, and here you can select a topic, click to the next square icon, and you can type your problem, and you can speak with the moderators or about a robot or a robot. I don't know exactly that's people or not. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.